The day is here. My journey of sailing Endra has begun. As crafting still continues, she is beautifully floating. Three years after the first wooden ship fell, it's about time to let her to water. And I must say that all my confidence, which has carried me through the whole building process, has somehow dropped. Will it be tight? How will it sit in the water? And is the engine running properly? And how about the transport? Is it safe? It's been raining for weeks now, and the whole region suffers from inundation. The river carries more water than ever. Bad timing, I'd say. Meanwhile, I put aside my worries to finish the last piece to get Endra ready for her first voyage. I designed and redesigned the rudder concept a dozen times at least. Drilled a pilot hole for the rudder post some time ago and had to take a final decision as the propeller was in place. Cut! I just realized that the rudder build deserves an episode on its own. So we better override here for once and keep helm straight for launching. Promise to give you an insight of this project sometime later. Now there's still a couple last preparations to do.
20 years ago, I started my first project. Bought an old Land Rover and restored it from ground up. Now it's still lingering in Africa, I couldn't bring it back. But somehow, this passion for these old vehicles stayed in my family. So it was meaningful to me that my father crossed up with his Land Rover to conduct this new project to its most important milestone ever.
Nochmal einen Meter, 50 Zentimeter, 30.
Muss ich losfahren, oder? Oder mit der Halt?
Es geht dir gut, hä? Come on, Charles!
Im Wasser. Schau jetzt.
Come on, Charles! Come on, Charles! Come on, huh?
Ich nehme mehr Platz.
It's so overwhelming. This moment to have her in the water for the first time, and she sits perfectly neat. I thought at least something must go wrong, but here she is and the engine runs. I get to enjoy this moment together with all these people and take you with me to her first voyage upriver next episode.